This is Ethereum in 1 minute. If Bitcoin could be considered Big Brother, Ethereum is the little brother who stands a good chance of towering over Big Bro one day soon. All one has to do is pay a small fortune in gas fees for a transaction to see how much Ethereum is being used across the globe each and every day. Ethereum is more than just payments though. It's a marketplace of financial services, games and apps that is open to everyone around the world, and it can't steal your data or censor you. ETH is the second largest crypto by market cap and is generally the yardstick that other projects in the space measure against and/or copy outright. Through the use of smart contracts, Ethereum is a developer's playground, whether that's through the DeFi protocols or DAOs being built on it, or the NFT platforms trading billions in volume that call it home. Let us know in the comment section below what you think about Ethereum. As always, do your own research and follow us for more.